Hello, and today I'm at Cottesloe Beach in Perth in Western Australia, and I'm here to tell you about a live event that we'll be taking part in that's coming up on the Saturday the 4th of October 2025. So the event takes place at the Boya Community Centre, which is in Darlington in the Perth Hills in Western Australia, and the event focuses on the history and the geology and geography of this region. There will be talks on everything from Noongar traditions up to dinosaur footprints that are found in Western Australia. Now, the event starts at 10 a.m. and it's a free event. You do not need a ticket. You can just turn up anytime through the day and to watch to view the different presentations. I will be making my presentation from 12 noon up to 12:45 with then a 15-minute question and answer session for anyone who is there. So we have some new and intriguing evidence that we are going to present on the day. But this will be the only live event that we take part in 2025. So if you have any questions about the tsunami history of Western Australia, this is the day to turn up on the day and actually watch the event and participate in the question and answer session. So that's Saturday the 4th of October 2025, and the venue is the Boya Community Centre near Darlington in the Perth Hills. So we'd love to see you there. Just a quick note as well about some upcoming videos that we have in our Western Australian Tsunami History series. In a few weeks' time we'll be publishing and uploading our video about where does sand come from. This is one of the reasons why I've come to Cottesloe Beach today, because, well, usually Cottesloe Beach is the most pristine sandy beach that you'll find anywhere, but right now, because of the season, we've had a load of seagrass washed up onto the beach, so it doesn't look as pristine as what it normally is. So that's the next video, is about where does sand come from. Following that one, we have a close investigation on the different shapes of sand dunes between Cape Loon in the very south and Dongara, which is about 400 kilometres north of Perth. We have sampled various sand dunes from between Cape Loon and Dongara, and they have some different origins. So we'll be presenting again some new information during this video, and then as a bonus we have an additional video coming up after that one, which will be looking at the Bunbury basalt. So, spoiler alert, there never was actually a volcano in Bunbury, but there's some basaltic type rocks, and the origin of these rocks is absolutely fascinating. So if you can catch any of those videos, stay tuned.